Next is scale command. You can select scale command from here, and the shortcut for scale command is SC. Type SC in command prompt, press enter. Now scale command is activated. Select any object which you want to scale. I select this rectangle. Also select this dimensions. Press enter. Now specify any base point. I select this point for base point. The base point will remain constant at same position and other dimensions will be changed. Now type here scale factor. I type 2. Press enter. Now these dimensions are increased 2 times. This was 150. This is now 300. This was 300. This is now 600. Again I select scale command. Select object. This object. Dimensions. Press enter. Specify base point. I select this point. Now type scale factor. I type here 0.5. Press enter. Now these dimensions are half in size. Again I select scale command. I select this rectangle, this dimensions, press enter. I select this point for base point. Again I type 0.5. Scale factor, press enter. Now these dimensions are again half. I select scale command. Select this rectangle, these dimensions, press enter. Specify base point. I select this point for base point. Type scale factor. I type here 3. Press enter. Now these dimensions are 3 times. Similarly, here we have line. I select scale command. I select this line, this dimension. Press enter. I select base point, this corner point. Type scale factor. I type 2. Press enter. Now this dimension is increased 2 times. Again, I select scale command. I select this line. I select this dimension. Press enter. Select base point. I select this point for base point. Now here is an option of reference. I select reference. Type here original value. I type 200. Press enter. Now type here new length. I type here 350. Press enter. By selecting reference, you can edit the dimensions